Hey Alfredo, this is Scott Walker with Impact Layton. Just making this video for you to show you some tips and tricks on how to improve your online presence and possibly generate some new business due to that. Really like your logo. I think that's pretty sweet. But one thing I would really recommend for your website is to add more content to your website. Google loves to see content. You want to see 1,500 to 2,000 words on your homepage, and throughout that content you want to be found for buyer intent keywords. And for what that means to me is like rock chip repair, Salt Lake City, auto glass replacement, Salt Lake, depending on where you are. But those are the types of buyer intent keywords that I always recommend, and if you do it correctly, your images like this right here, instead of it saying warranty, that could say like windshield replacement Salt Lake City, and that counts as a content because it's embedded behind your photo for you. I am using this tool called Ahrefs. One thing, you don't have your canonical URL, which means that your website is not being found for searches, and so just wanted to give you a heads up on that. But this is just a tool I use called Ahrefs. It'll give me your analytics and show me where you're setting. The domain rating and URL rating is a strength and trust that Google has for your website. These are on a scale of 100, and you want those continuously moving up and balanced. And those are due, you're at point 1 and 2, and those are due to your referring pages and domains. And pretty much what those are backlinks. And if you don't know what a backlink is, it's when one website links to another website via clickable button or text. But not all backlinks are created equal, so make sure to stay within your industry or your location whenever possible. And because you're not indexed, you have 0 keywords and 0 people going to your website each and every month. So your website's a big digital business card right now instead of an online lead generating tool. So I did want to show you, when I look at windshield replacement Salt Lake in this Salt Lake City, this is one of the highest keyword searches right now. And I'll show you right here. It's that one right there. There's 450 searches a month, so that's why I'm looking at this one. But this is where I've been helping a lot of auto glass companies, is outperforming Safe Light's ads right here. So that's kind of where I would recommend starting. Google ads are great for auto glass companies to get business quickly for you. And there's lots of ways to optimize those. The biggest one, making sure that the keyword is well, a lot of my job is keyword research, so this keyword would be a great one to have, like windshield replacement Salt Lake City, call us now to get your windshield replaced. But then also breaking your ad groups up into themes, so windshield for one, auto glass for another, repair and replacement are different ones. So yeah, that's just, there's a lot more that you could be doing on those, but this is a great way to generate business quickly for you. And then we move down into the Google Business Profile. And it's okay that you're not here right now. There's no worries about that. Excuse me. But the best way to get into the Google Business Profile is to make sure your name, address, and phone number are the exact same all across the internet. You don't want to mislead Google. Adding reviews weekly, daily, if possible, is great. And there's I can make a QR code for you and get you that so that people can go directly to your reviews. And then adding branded, geotagged, and geolocated photos weekly shows Google that you're growing your business organically, and that really helps generate more people clicking right here on your website. And then by giving out your information to as many people as possible, like your name, address, and phone number, Google will start to trust you more, and that won't be just in your local area, but also in your surrounding areas as well. And between the ads and the Google Business Profile, about 70% of traffic goes to those two things. And just to kind of give you an idea, just for Salt Lake City, and this is through the Google Keyword Planner, there are 1,300 searches for windshield replacement just in Salt Lake area. Then another, for windshield repair, windscreens, another more. So there's like 3,000 or 4,000 searches each and every month that you could be in front of on the ads to really generate that business quickly. But it looks like Two Bros Auto Glass is the #1 competitor for this particular buyer intent keyword. So looking at their website, they have a few more referring to pages and domains, but really they have 400 people going to their website each month. That's really, really good. So Just to kind of give you an example of the search volume, there's 1,100 just for Salt Lake and with either Windshield or Autoglass, and that's with the keyword in it to where your website would rank. But pretty much what happens is when you have that buyer intent content, the authoritative backlinks and citations, a percentage of these total volumes is going to start going to your website instead of your competitor. And then a percentage of the people going to your website will give you a call, and depending on your closing rate, will turn into a customer for you. So Alfredo, I hope that this video was beneficial for you. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out, and I will talk to you soon. Have a good one.